Hello, DevALMO here, on the for the more excited with the channel. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and let's learn about Axios. Here I have my project running. We are getting the data from Pokémon API. We are getting the Pokémon in order. Let's see the code. Here we have the code. There's just a component Pokémon list. In the first video, I explained it all, and we made this code using fetch and then. And in the following video, I did the same code, but we were using async and await, and now we are using Axios. So it is three ways that we can use to do the same thing. So let's focus only in the Axios part. If you want to see the rest, I'll leave it in the card. You can check out the first video. If you want to know about async await, you can check the second video, and this is the third one, and we are checking Axios. So the only thing we need to do is we need to import Axios. We are typing yarn Axios, and we are pressing enter. It took some time to show it in the screen, but we are pressing enter. We are awaiting the installation, and then we can already use it. So I can close this now. I already have it installed, so I don't need to do it again. But if you are doing it, you should know that you need to do that step. So we are gonna import Axios. From Axios, that is the package that we are using. We are gonna create a const named API, and in the API we are calling Axios, and then we are creating a get function, and we are passing base URL inside of it. Then if we want to use the async await, we are gonna just calling the API, and we are using the get function, and we are adding just a bar. This means that this will be added at the end of it right here, so it will be just a bar, and we are getting this response from inside the Axios. After it, we already have the response working, so we are saying that response data is equal to response.data.result. Then we are calling the function. Inside the use effect, we are saying that we are using API from outside of use effect. This is it. This is all you need to know about Axios. If you want to use that, is simple like this. If you want to check out the rest of the code that I did, I will leave the video in the card and you can check it out. If you like my content, show your support, like, comment and subscribe. I also have a Patreon. Admin social media, the links to it are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.